Hey guys, and welcome back to your favorite channel, Naija News and Entertainment. Erica gives reason for breaking up with Kiddwaya. She said, "I'm bored with your constant sex talks."
Few options makes him full of himself. And he actually feels like he can do anything he wants because he's probably a spoiled brat that's done everything he wanted all his life. I do not have to entertain it. I know what I deserve. I've accepted a lot of stupid things from him. I don't have to.
Big Brother Naija lockdown housemate Erica has given reason for breaking up with her lover Kiddwaya. Erica and Kiddwaya, who were seen by housemates and viewers of the reality show as having the strongest relationship in the lockdown house, announced the end of their love chapter on Friday. Erica had complained that Kiddwaya, the billionaire's son, had no respect or regard for her. Now, other housemates such as Neil and Brighto tried to make peace between the ex-lovers and asked Erica to tell her side of the story. In response, she said, "I'm bored with all the sex talks Kiddwaya brings. I'm bored. I'm really bored. All he talks about is I want to kiss you, kiss your neck, have sex with you. I'm bored." Okay, he actually feels he can do anything he wants. I don't have to accept it. I have accepted a lot of rubbish things from him. I know what I deserve. I'm bored with all the sex talks. Erica told Prince and Trickity. So she ended whatever she had with Kiddwaya last night, saying she's done with him and then they can both go their separate ways. So guys, what do you think of this? What do you think of Erica and Kiddwaya recent breakup? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below.